Basta! Wala. Takas. Actually, if it's crazy, it's takas eh.
Takas?
Yeah.
From your home?
I mean,
Magganito ka?
something my mom won't approve of. Super uma.
Takas ng?
No, but I don't do drugs naman. Ako naman.
Usually not.
Hindi nga ako umiinom masyado, diba?
Usually not. But takas
Hindi
ng?
ako piling-pili ang mga iniinuman ko. Drugs?
Usually not.
Super
Pero takas ng?
What?
Oh no, you won't answer me that. My question you won't answer. Knowing you.
I hate drugs.
So, ano?
Say no to drugs. Yeah. Sa barkada ko, walang ganun.
Wala? Not to drugs?
Oo.
Ever since?
Oo.
Barkada mo, more babae o lalaki?
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Hello. Exclusive school for girls.
Oh yeah, tama.
So,
Good.
more babae.
Still. Ah, yes.
No, but the thing is, we merged with this barkada
Yeah.
from an all-boys school.
Yeah.
But I think there's still more girls.
So you're not into drugs.
No.
And your
Not
friends
even
as well
try.
not. Your friends as well not.
The most na is, they drink a lot.
Yeah.
But they're not drunkards, alam mo yun, not ganun.
Mm-hmm.
Like, social
No alky.
drinking lang. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Social drinkers. Anong tawag dito? Ako hindi eh. Hindi talaga ako. Malakas ako.
Kasi you would
Kaya siguro
still...
malakas ako malasing. Mabilis malasing.
Yeah, that's one
But
factor.
I'm not,
And as well, if you would drink a lot, you would spill a lot.
Yeah. Big time. But usually about myself. Kahit lasing ako, tungkol sa sarili ko.
And what you
Yung
feel,
mga-
I think, everything.
What?
You would say what you feel about certain people. And what you think
Hindi
about
ganun.
certain people. Not?
Hindi yung ganun na
Ano?
No, siguro like, kunwari, dun mo malalaman may feelings pala ako for this.
That's
Or hindi man feelings, but, kunwari, crush.